Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a review why I like multiple income funnel and also tell you how you can get started. So first of all, some of the things I like about it is if you click on links here, here's all the capture pages that you get with their links. And if you go back, and they got all kind of training in here. First of all, you have weekly training. Then you got a mark. It shows you how to improve your marketing and all kind of suggestions in here. Then if you go back, oh boy, guess I better pay attention to what I'm doing here. And you click on training again. It gives you the seven different steps. Lesson 1, basically that's how to improve your personality. Then lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. 3 shows you how to follow up. 4 shows you how to do YouTube. 5, Facebook. And it shows you how to block time to do this opportunity. And then there's some more bonuses in there. And then if you go back again, you can see it shows you all the leads that you get when you're advertising. See, they got lots of leads in here, and also gives you an email for each one, so you can email them and give them more information. And the company also emails them to give them more information to help you get them signed up. And then of course, you got a leaderboard. You can see who's on the leaderboard. And then you got resources, which is basically emails that you can use to follow up with your leads. You can use your own if you want, but there's some good suggestions you can use. Then if you click on there, it shows you all your businesses that you have. And I also got a bonus opportunity. I use this to get leads and cost you $1 a day, and you get 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads. And you can email them every 24 hours, which I do, and that's all included in that system. So then if you like all these advantages and reasons why, then you can go over here to get started. And you go to step 1. There's a video that tells you all about the program and how to get started. And if you want to get started on a monthly plan, right now it's on for half price. It's usually $97, but right now they have it on for $49. And then step 2 and step 3, you can put in whatever opportunities you want if you have any. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I'm using. Each one of them is under $10 a month. And then you have step 4, which is Traffic Authority, which they've been in business for over 10 years, so they have some awfully good leads. So let's see, what else did I miss here? I think that pretty well tells you. And I forgot to mention, on this one, they also have a yearly plan if you don't like the monthly. And that costs you $350 a year. But if somebody joins you under that, you make $200. And you also save quite a bit of money throughout the year. So that's the route I went to. You save quite a bit of money and you make more commission. So, and now I'm also going to leave a link under the video where Matt explains this opportunity. He does a better job than I do. And with that same link, you can also join. And I'm also going to leave my contact information under there if you want to get a hold of me to ask me more questions. I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you're having a great weekend.